Alexa, front door camera. So the camera on the touchscreen will display here. It will also display here on our wall-mounted screen, and it will display on the televisions. So this is one of our touchscreens here. This is our tabletop mount, and this allows the camera to display with voice and with audio. With voice and with AI. So let's say someone was outside, or you heard someone outside and you want to bring the camera up with voice. Simply say, Alexa, front door camera. So the camera on the touchscreen will display here. It will also display here on our wall-mounted screen, and it will display on the televisions. But let's say you wanted to initiate a two-way conversation. It's very simple. Alexa, drop in on front door.
Okay, dropping in.
So right now, the two-way conversation started, and right now, whoever is outside of the front door can hear me, both, and I can see them on the touch screens and at the television. I set a timer to go off after a certain amount of seconds, but this is 100% customizable.